largest accounting body. And I am the second president of this institute, which is the world's largest.
Drishti, which symbolizes a transformative journey, pulsating with innovation across the 7 pillars: D, R, I, S, H, T, I. Drishti. One of the major focus areas this year is digitalization. Taking the lead in this area, ICAI has formed a new committee this year, AI in ICAI, to harness the potential of artificial intelligence to empower the profession and strengthen the operations and infrastructure in order to optimize productivity and meet the demands of a digital-centric world. Fostering research and development for capacity building, ICAI will further strengthen its research studies in the areas of accounting, assurance, taxation, finance and business advisory services to provide conducive environment for research, development and innovation. Integrity, which forms the core of the institute. Recognizing this cornerstone of the profession, the Vice President of India, Shri Jagdeep Dhankar, lauded the unwavering dedication of chartered accountants to upholding the highest ethical standards.
It is quintessential to your profession to ensure trust and integrity in financial reporting, auditing, taxation. Accountants in Bharat have the highest ethics quotient.
ICAI is extremely focused on adapting and upgrading the acumen and skills of the professionals in tune with the changing requirements in order to provide conducive environment for research, development and innovation. ICAI is planning to establish new Center of Excellence Pan-India. H in Drishti symbolizes handholding. As a trusted partner in nation building, ICAI provides guidance to MSMEs and startups, educating the masses through financial and tax literacy.
Chartered Accountants of India is a statutory body elected by the Act of the Parliament in 1949. We have now 4 lakh chartered accountants in this country and 9 lakh students. So 9 lakh students and 4 lakh members. We are the 13 lakh family, which is making us, out of 182 accounting body, the world largest accounting body. We have become the world largest accounting body, and the best part of this number, every third CA, every third chartered accountant is a women chartered accountant. So without any reservation, this 9 lakh students, 44% of this 9 lakh are girl students pursuing chartered accountants. So last 20 years, the interest of the women and the girls towards the profession of finance and accountancy is unprecedented. And there is a research which says the finance can be managed better by women than the men. And that's why more and more women are coming to this profession. So we as an institute are very happy. And a country like India, if the India has to grow, the contribution, the other half of the population has to be there, otherwise the country cannot go. So we are on the right growth trajectory and the institute is also in that path.
of चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट ऑफ इंडिया है, जिसके 4 लाख मेंबर हैं और 9 लाख स्टूडेंट हैं। इस नंबर के कारण आज हम वर्ल्ड की सबसे बड़ी संस्था बन गए हैं और हम स्टार्टअप स्पेयर एक इवेंट यहाँ बेंगलुरु में लेके आए हैं। लास्ट टाइम हमने ये इवेंट मुंबई में किया था, जिसमें मोर देन $100 मिलियन का इन्वेस्टमेंट हमने अरेंज किया था थ्रू 75 इन्वेस्टर, एंजल इन्वेस्टर। इस साल हम ये इवेंट बेंगलुरु में लेके आए हैं, वेयर इन वी आर ऑफ द ओपिनियन कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जो यंग टैलेंट है, जो यंग पीपल है, जिनके पास आइडिया है बट उनके पास फंड नहीं है, उसको हम हेल्प करें, उसको एक प्लेटफॉर्म दें, उसके आइडिया को सुने। इन्वेस्टर को हमने बुलाया है कंपनियों को बुलाया है ताकि उन आइडिया को वो लिवरेज करके उसको फंडिंग दे सके। 27, 28, 29 जून को KTPO में ये इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज होगा, जिसमें हमारा टारगेट है 10,000 से ज़्यादा लोग पार्टिसिपेट करें, अपने आइडियाज़ को दें और हम उनको हेल्प कर सकें। ये इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट की इनिशिएटिव है, इंडिया बीइंग द थर्ड लार्जेस्ट startup ecosystem in the world, and we are contributing in that ecosystem.
Who's inaugurating the event?
We have called all the concerned minister, but since the government is not there right now, so we will invite them after 4th of June when the new government takes place. But all the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Information Technology, they have given their consent to be a partner of this event, so all the minister will be there.
पूरे हिंदुस्तान से कहाँ से आ रहे हैं सर? मीन्स नॉर्थ से या ईस्ट या वेस्ट साउथ?
कर्नाटक हमारा फोकस है, बट वी आर 175 ब्रांचेज अक्रॉस द कंट्री। आज इस इवेंट के बाद हम उनको एड्रेस करने वाले हैं, तो हम सारे लोकेशन से सारे पार्टिसिपेट को बुला रहे हैं कि वो इस इवेंट को आएँ, देखें और अपने आइडियाज़ को शेयर करें ताकि हम उसके आइडियाज़ को वैल्यू क्रिएशन में कन्वर्ट कर सकें।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।